fear disappear as you draw near to Jesus. We can even say, let's faith it when we feel afraid. Watch fear disappear as you draw near to Jesus. Don't wait on your feelings. Get out of the boat, don't stay in and float. Do it afraid, and you'll faith it. Don't just face the trial, talk about your faith. Watch fear disappear as you draw near to Jesus. And instead of thinking, oh no, how can I face that, you'll say, let's faith it. You're never alone, you don't have to fear. In faith you'll see victory appear. Watch fear disappear as you draw near to Jesus. God will bring you through hard times when you invite him in and say, God help me, and let's faith it. Draw near to Jesus. Say, dear Lord, let's faith it.